Do you shave your head? Ever wonder why some people's heads look so smooth, but yours doesn't? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get that done. Cue the intro. What's up, guys? Ken Mosley here, aka K-Dog, back with another video. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. If you're a returning viewer, I want to say welcome back. Today we're talking about a nice, smooth, shaved head, no nonsense. I'm going to show you how to achieve that without all the fluff, all the bullshit, and having to buy all those extra products you don't need. We're going to go old school. Oh, watch till the end. I'm going to give you a little bonus tip on to make all this stuff come together. Now, first thing, these are the items that you're going to need. A razor, soap, and a washcloth. Looks too simple? Good. It's supposed to be simple. We're shaving our head. It's not rocket science. The simpler, the better. Keep watching. Let's go. We're going to kill two birds with one stone here. When you take a shower, wash your hair. The hot water will soften the follicles. For you GEDers, that's hair. You ever wonder why barbers use a hot towel on people's faces? Duh. Oh, that's how that's done. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gonna make me go all out. Up in here, up in here. Okay, I shouldn't have to tell you this, but dry off. Wait a minute. That's better. Now, take your soap, and not that hand crap, real soap. With your head still wet, lather your head up lightly. Now it's razor time. You need a razor with a flexible head to go with the contour of your head. You make short, smooth strokes. Longer strokes clogs the blades, which makes the razor less effective. You see that? No nicks, no cuts. Rinse your razor in cold water after each stroke or as needed. This makes the blade contract for a better shave. As some of y'all who didn't pay attention in science class, heat makes metal expand, cold makes metal contract. Real simple. Again, short, easy strokes. Not pressing. Going with the contour of your head. And rinse. No worries. The longer you do this, the more you'll be able to feel where your blade is and where it has not been. Rinsing in cold water, no worries. Hit your backside. Now me, I've done this for 20-something years. I pretty much know what I'm doing. But for y'all who don't, your ear, you come up. Your ear, you come up. Nice, smooth, no nicks, no cuts. If you have any bumps on your head, go easily and gently over them so you don't recut them in this process. When shaving the back of your head, like I said, run your fingers over your head, and you should be able to tell what's shaving and what's not. If not, use a mirror. Now, once you're finished, wet a hand towel or washcloth in cold water, depending on how big your damn head is, and wipe your head clean. Cold towel over your head, wipe your head clean, no worries. In case you didn't know, just like I said before, the cold water will soothe any nicks and close the pores on your head. For me, and this is simply my preference because I'm old school, moisturizing your head, all that other jelly crap and lotions, hair, time, all that crap, bleh. Vaseline, just what my mama did.
Just what my mama used. Just what my mama used.
God damn! Little dab, your head, and we're finished. No worries. Now, how easy was that? Now, as for that bonus tip that I was talking about, your razor, don't use your razor more than 3 times. A dull blade will snag and pull the hair before it cuts it. Not good. Well, that's my video for today. If you got anything out of it, hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button. It's Ken Mosley, aka K-Dog, in the bathroom. I'm out. Peace. You still here? The video's over. Go home. Go. Bye.